Okay, this is down by the Kennebec River. What's happening here is they're building a brand new bridge over the Kennebec River. Okay, this is a pretty impressive construction project they got going on here. So I'll give a little zoom. We're going to walk up on the bridge, or try to. But this bridge is going to be really, really high. And what it is, the bridge that we were just, this is the construction area. It's quite impressive. It's going to be way, way, way high. And so we're going to walk up on the bridge a little bit, so I don't get run over. I'd like to get a better view of the Kennebec, but I might not be able to walk across the bridge. It is a thin bridge. This is what they call a swing bridge. More than likely I'll get run over doing this. But we'll walk right up. This is the Kennebec River. And we'll walk up and come back. It's quite a thin bridge. But it's what they call a swing bridge. For years and years and years, the ice used to build up down here in this in this part of the Kennebec River. And I won't go much further than here because I'll get run over. But as you can see, looking across, that's Richmond over there. We're going to go into Richmond in a little bit. Getting quite a shake. That's Richmond. We'll be going into Richmond here pretty quick. It's called Richmond, Maine. And then we can swing across like this. There's more of the construction. This is looking up the Kennebec River. You follow that river up, and it takes you right up in the garden. And we'll turn back the other way. And there we go.